How to add a battery widget on lock screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open press and hold on your lock screen, and here you can see the option customize. Now click on it and then click on lock screen. Now here you can add your widget. Now click on add widget and then click on batteries. Now here you can add your battery widget on your lock screen. Now click on a small widget or large widget. You can add both widget on your lock screen, and you can add any one widget on your lock screen. After that, click on done and your widget will be added on your lock screen. So this is the way to add a battery widget on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.